In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use data bars in Excel. Data bars are a simple way to visualize numbers directly inside your spreadsheet cells. Instead of reading values one by one, you can quickly see which entries are larger or smaller, because Excel fills each cell with a colored bar that scales to the data. This is especially helpful when you have a small list of numbers and you want an instant visual comparison. To begin, you need to select the cell range that contains your data. In this example, you will click and highlight the cells from A2 through A6. As you do this, make sure you are selecting only the cells that contain the numeric values you want to visualize. If you accidentally include a blank cell or a header cell, the data bars may not reflect your intended range. Once the range is selected, you are ready to switch to the main tools for formatting. Next, click the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of Excel. The Home tab contains the most common formatting options, and it is the starting point for adding conditional formatting. After you click Home, look across the ribbon for the Styles group, where several formatting features are grouped together. Now, within the Styles group, you will click Conditional Formatting. This opens a menu with different ways to automatically format cells based on rules or patterns. You are not changing your numbers, and you are not sorting anything. You are simply applying a visual style that updates based on the values in the selected range. Take a moment to hover or pause on this area so you can see the drop-down menu clearly. After you open Conditional Formatting, you will hover over Data Bars in the drop-down menu. Hovering is important because it allows Excel to display the data bars options without you needing to click the wrong item. You should see options that let you choose how the bars are displayed, including different fill styles. This is where you decide the overall look of your visualization. With the data bars options visible, you will choose either a gradient fill or a solid fill color option. Selecting gradient fill typically creates a smooth transition in the bar color, which can look clean and modern. Selecting solid fill uses a single solid color for the bar, which can be straightforward and easy to interpret at a glance. Either choice will apply the same concept, which is to fill each cell with a bar proportional to the cell value. Once you make a selection, Excel applies the data bars to the cells you highlighted earlier. Look closely at your range from a 2 to a 6. Each cell should now contain a colored bar inside it, and the length of each bar should match the relative magnitude of the numbers in that cell. Larger numbers will result in longer bars, while smaller numbers will result in shorter bars. This gives you a quick visual ranking without needing to do manual comparisons. At this point, you can also take a moment to check that the bars look right for your specific dataset. If one cell has a much higher value than the others, its bars should stand out clearly. If the bars appear too similar, that usually means your values are close together, or they are varying within a small range. Since you are applying the bars through conditional formatting, the bars will automatically stay updated if your underlying numbers change. And that covers everything you need to know. You selected a cell range, opened conditional formatting from the Home tab, chose data bars, and then picked a gradient fill or solid fill option to apply a clear visual comparison to your data. And that is all there is to it.